The liquid filling machine, designed and produced entirely by Metfa Makina, creates serious differences in performance and efficiency, even with its closest competitors. The quality of the material used and the meticulousness in the production stages increases the service life of the machines and minimize the operating costs. Computerized control panels on the system are programmed by Metfa Makina. Our liquid filling machine consists of bottle feeding, automatic filling, cap feeding, capping, double-sided label, and collection area.